block sanding the whole car right now. Look, I had a whole lot of rough spots. Like, I still feel some, but like in this area right here. But I'm gonna go back over once I do the whole car. Uh, had some on top. A lot of rough areas. Um, I got most of this out right there. I'm just block sanding the whole car. Uh, I gotta do this door. This door and the fender. Uh, like right here, you see that? Besides that, I got this door, front fender. I gotta bag it out and do the front flip, and we should be ready to. I want to spray the whole fucking car today, but might still spray the whole car today, y'all.